In the previous tutorial, we demonstrated the design of the receipt form. This time, we will design the workflow for this form. This tutorial guides you will learn how to set up conditional branching based on request amounts, configure approval steps, and assign user permissions. Before starting, ensure you have access to the EasyCraft platform. Our process design rules are as follows. After a warehouse receipt request is submitted, it undergoes conditional branching based on the amount. For amounts greater than or equal to 5,000, approval is required sequentially from the department head and warehouse administrator. For amounts less than 5,000, approval is granted solely by the administrator. Back to form receipt. Find process design, enter the process design interface. Here we can name the process. We used warehouse receiving request approval as the process name. Click Start Creating to begin building the process flow. On the left are different node selections for the workflow, which can be invoked based on business requirements. The right side provides node property configurations. Advanced settings can be used to configure permissions or message push settings. Data permissions are set for forms in conjunction with different nodes, including view permissions, required fields, etc. Listener config involves actions based on workflow design. You can click New Listener to add a new event listener. Here you can select different event listener types. Now we return to the design of the workflow. We chose to add a conditional statement to create a conditional branch. Then we add two approval condition nodes, and connect to the conditional node. Named Warehouse Manager Approval and Leadership Approval. Also name conditional as determine amount. Additionally, we can add name annotations to the two conditions. Fill in greater than equals 5,000 to set the condition for amounts greater than or equal to 5,000. Fill in less than 5,000 to set the condition for amounts less than 5,000. Now we set the condition for this location node. There are different ways to set this up, such as a formula editor. Click View Settings to begin setting the formula. Click here again to continue condition setting. Choose variables for the formula. Multiple formula editing options are available in the upper right corner. Expression selection allows you to choose different fields and constants to edit conditions. Script writing can be used to set formulas by writing Java scripts. Advanced mode formula settings can be achieved by piecing together selection criteria. In this form design, we use simple mode to design. And first we choose the value total amount. The condition is smaller than. Fill in 5,000 to set the comparison threshold. Save the formula settings. Upon completion, we proceed to another process condition design. Similarly, we select the total amount. The condition we set greater than or equal to the comparison operator. Fill in 5,000 to set the threshold value for the condition. Save the condition settings. Click Yes to confirm and apply all changes. At this point, we have completed most of the process design. We will continue to explain the remaining steps in Part 2.